Another question somebody just popped in was when it comes to putting down a whole house, do you see any benefits when it comes to laundering your clothes? Do you tend to use less detergent? Do your clothes last longer? You have any insight on that?
Yeah, I've noticed that my clothes are a little bit softer when they come out. So I've had, before I had this, I would have maybe some irritants and stuff. My daughter's a little more sensitive than I am, her skin. So the soap, if it didn't get all the way rinsed out and we dried it, she would put on some clothes. And at the end of the day, she may have a slight rash or something like that. We haven't had those issues because it's actually taking a lot of that irritants out of the water that get in there, and our soap is coming out. Our clothes are cleaner, and I